On the way to Mount Nemrut, you will pass a small village called Kâhta. You could make a stop at the foot of the village, from where you could enjoy the luring silhouette of Yeni Kale. This military fortress, which is very similar to the Syrian Crusaders' castle, is also called the Kâhta Fort by the locals, and it is perched high on the ridge of the mountains of Kâhta. Fortresses and lookouts were built here in the times of Commagene and Rome due to its strategic location. Later on, Arabs began to remodel and expand it during their occupation, thus the fort gradually spreads to the westernmost end of the ridge. In addition, the core located in the lower part of the fort had separate fortifications. Residences, mosques, restaurants, bazaars, and warehouses were built there. In the 13th century, the Mamluks who ruled Egypt and Syria added a lookout here, which was connected to the main body of the fortress via a narrow corridor built over a steep ridge. A winding staircase leads from the castle to the river below the mountain, which is used to ensure water supply. There's also said to be a hidden vaulted tunnel that connects from the stairs to the other side of the ridge. In addition, the castle has an independent postal system. A well-preserved pigeon loft with perches for 32 birds has been identified and tentatively dated to the 12th century.